Hi learners, welcome to our channel Python Programming. In this session, we are going to learn about some methods associated with strings. We already learned that strings are objects in Python which belongs to string class. A string is an entity which contains data and functions to manipulate those data. Python provides some built-in methods to handle strings in beautiful ways. Let's see the methods one by one. First one, ordinal. In short, we are writing ORD of. This method returns the ASCII value of the given character to it. For example, let ch is equal to yes. If we try to display what is the value given by ORD of CH, then we will be getting the ASCII value of yes. ASCII value of capital S is 83. The second one, character CHR, which is in contrast to ordinal function. This method returns the character of the given ASCII value. For example, let us assume that n is equal to 83 and let's check what is the character represented by this ASCII value. If we display char of n, then we will be getting the character which is associated with the ASCII value 83, which is yes. Next method, length. Length is the method which returns the length of the given string. There is a number of characters in the given string. For example, let S1 is equal to Python programming, which includes a space also in between the two words Python and programming. If we print the length of S1, we will be getting the output as 18. The next method, max. Since we have the collection of characters in the string, this max method will return the character with the highest ASCII value. For example, let S1 is equal to Python programming. And if we print the max of S1, it is going to produce the output as Y. The next method is min, which is in contrast to max. This method returns the character with the lowest ASCII value. Let us consider the same example. S1 is equal to Python programming. And if we display min of S1, this will return a space as output. Since a blank space whose ASCII value is 32, which is less than the ASCII value of all the capital letters in the alphabet set. Let's see an example. Let S1 is equal to Python programming, and if we try to print S1 dot capitalize, we will be getting the output as Python programming, in which the first character of the given string will be in capital letter. Next method is title. Title is the method which will convert the given string into title case. It means the first character of every word in the given string will be converted into capital letters. The syntax for utilizing this method is also string name dot title of. Let's see an example. S2 is equal to Python programming is easy, in which all the characters are in small case letters. If we print S2 dot title of, then the output is going to be Python programming is easy, in which the first character of every word is becoming capital letters. Next method is swap case. Swap case is the method which will toggles the case of each character of the given string. It means the small case letters will become capital letters and capital letters will become small case letters. Let's see an example. Let S3 is equal to Python programming is easy, and let us try to swap the cases in S3. So S3 dot swap case will result the following output as shown on the screen, in which the capital letters are converted into small case letters and the small case letters are converted into capital letters. Next method is lower. Lower method converts the given string into lowercase letters. It means all the characters in the given string will be converted into lowercase letters. The syntax is string name dot lower of. Let's see an example. S4 is equal to Python programming is easy, in which the first character of every word is in capital letters. So let's convert it into lower by means of using lower method. Now S4.lower will display all the characters in lowercase letters. Next method is upper. Upper method is in contrast to lower method, which will convert all the characters in the given string into uppercase letters. The syntax is string name dot upper. Let's see an example. S5 is equal to Python programming is easy, and let's try to print what the method is going to produce. S5 dot upper of. Here all the characters are displayed in uppercase letters. Stay tuned. Happy learning.